Hi, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. Today video, I'm going to share with you behind the scene how the real estate agency look like. Entrance to my office, and you can see this is the logo, my office. Now let us proceed to my office. I need to sign in first. Alright, behind the scene. And when we enter, then there's a small pantry here, this area. And you can see that we have a fridge and we have a small pantry, a wash area, and we also brought our oven, small oven. So this is one of the meeting room that we have. So the meeting room usually is used to host our guests and also our team meeting. So from here, this part, you can see a very long corridor here. So it's actually linked me to another office. So this office is actually another office that is providing real estate solutions. So it consists of the short-term rental, then we have our lawyer partners firm as well, and we have our seminar rooms and also our library, our play area, and also some meeting rooms and big meeting room that actually can host 100 people when we open it up. How the real estate and real estate one-stop solution office look like. Alright, before that, I'm passing by my office. I'm going to show you a little bit of my office. Okay, so this is my office, a bit messy today. And you can see that actually my office today, there's not many people because still under CMCO. Okay, so now I'm going through the long pathway here. Then this is another to my partner's room here. Here, so you can see there's my colleagues that one person is sitting in the room now because we need to have a social distance. Yeah, this is the place that actually I like the most. We have a play area here, and sometimes we'll do some shooting in this area. Yeah, this is a long table that we usually have our lunch and also some guest meeting in this area. And this is our library, a reading area. So personally, I like this area because it's actually very cool. I usually use this area to shoot my video and also to get my friends to shoot their videos in this area. So because now it's actually still, we can't get everybody in yet, so then you can see the space is actually very empty. Only a few colleagues are working at this moment. Alright, so then of course after the CMCO, then I hope that the office can get all our colleagues back to work again.
Hello, my name is Elfie. I'm intern in my back company.
Alright, Zaki, say something, Zaki. Huh? The mic is broken.
Cannot connect or what?
Cannot connect. Okay lah, try to fix it lah. Now I'm going to show you my admin's office so that you know that actually how the real estate, the admin office look like. So these are my admins here.
Hi.
So today we still have only a few of our admins is working because we are taking turns due to the CMCO. Now let me take you to another room. So you can see that there's a lot of chairs. So usually we are having our Monday meeting in this room. So this room can fit about 30 people, but today we can't. I mean, after we usually do our meeting on Monday, and so we set up these sessions. So in the wall also you can see here. From here, then you can see some of the poster that we're putting on. So our vision, mission, our code of honor, our core values, Alright, so then this is the setup, and we are having our projector here and also a sound system. Behind here is my another meeting room. So usually when we have a small group meeting, then we use this room, and also with the TV and also the table and chair setup. And this is another one. Once we open up, because then you can see from here. Okay, so this is actually a partition. The green and the grey color one is the partition. Once we open up, in fact we can fit up about 100 people. So then we have a whiteboard here, and today we are having a small briefing just now, so we still haven't cleaned up the space. So this is our reception. And this is our legal partner in our office. So they are still working until now. They usually work until very late. Say hi, say hi. Before I end my video, I'd like to include the link below. In case you'd like to change your career path, I also include the link below with some services that we have, and if you like this working environment, you can see more information in our website. Thank you so much. Bye.